So this is a race highlights, and you said Jake got a little bit of a squirrely start, and he certainly did. But Raj jumped out and got an absolute flyer, as did his teammate coming from the 4th row. Tony Elias has proven to us this year that he could be a drag racer also, as he's been able to get off the line fast. Now, Josh Herron originally was in 4th. He was able to make his way by Cameron Beaubier and get himself up into 3rd. We had a blown motor in the middle of the race here. And anyways, Cameron Beaubier was able to get back past Tony Elias and really put the charge on to try to draw that gap back up to Roger Hayden. And as the race wore on, he was able to kind of get that lap times, bring him back down. You heard Raj say, I figured if those two guys work together, he might be able to catch me back up, which he did. And then we just started seeing this big battle, 3-way battle for the lead between Roger and Tony and Josh. Sorry, not Josh, Roger, Tony, and Cameron. A lot of drafting and redrafting, Greg, as they went up and down this front straightaway. And then we saw Tony was finally tired of just sitting back there. He first passed Raj, started going after Tony, or after Cameron. We saw a lot of battles, big braking battles as they went down into turn 5. Raj had actually taken the lead at that point, but ran a little bit wide. This was the last corner, last lap. I thought Cameron Beaubier might try a move like that, and he was able to just let off the brakes, slide up underneath Elias, and beat him to the line. Tony wasn't able to quite get in the draft. Raj was right there in 3rd. You heard him say he missed a gear. That'll be something that he'll work on tomorrow. But all these guys, I think, tomorrow, and don't forget, Josh Hayes will be back. Hopefully, I know he's going to be a little bit beat up and battered, but we could see a 4-way battle for that front spot tomorrow.